Hello everyone, welcome to Malik 034 channel. This is Malik Arjun. I'm sure today's topic is going to be very hot topic. The topic is on current DBA market and DBA roles in future. Whenever I personally meet up with any of my senior DBAs or any of my colleagues during a tea break or lunch break or whenever we get together, I personally discuss on these things because being a DBA, you should know what is your future and what is the current DBA market. Then only you can enhance your skills, and you should be up to date in the market. So you should know that what is the current DBA market, and then how the DBA roles and responsibilities are going to be in the future days because of this cloud migrations. So I just wanted to discuss today's these 3 points. The first point is the COVID-19 pandemic impacting our DBA jobs in the current market? And is there any impact on the DBA jobs or DBA positions due to this cloud migrations? And the third point is cloud is going to be a future? And if that is true, and which cloud technology is best for DBS? These are the hot topics, everyone should aware of, so that you can enhance your skills and you should be up to date in the market. So the first point is COVID-19 pandemic impacting DBA jobs in the current market? The answer is, of course, it is impacting. And this COVID-19 is not only impacting our DBA jobs, it is impacting, most of the sectors. And best example is, I wanted to give a best example is examples of mine because, I was in a Saudi Arabia for one of the client project on a contract role from the last November 2019, and that project was planned for 2 years. And the moment this pandemic started in the month of Feb end or in the early March, my project was not in a good shape because the client was in a dilemma that whether to continue with the project or to stop the project. And they that discussion went on like April, May and June, and finally at the end of the June they decided to stop the current project. And then due to that I have to you know lose my job, and then I have to come back to India. So in the month of July I came back to India, and then I started searching a new job or new opportunities, right? So this is the best example I wanted to mention here, how badly this COVID-19 pandemic is impacting. It is not only DBA field. A couple of my friends who are in other IT organizations are already, called me, and then even they lost their jobs. And most of the projects in UK, US are all under hold. They stopped for the temporarily because of their this COVID-19 pandemic, and they are not able to continue those projects. And who were supporting those projects, either developers or support guys or infrastructure guys, everyone lost their jobs, and they started searching the new job. And also you might have seen in social media like LinkedIn, in Facebook, and all of the job portals, all of the social media, most of the colleagues are started putting they lost their jobs and looking for opportunities. Like I used to see many posts in Facebook and LinkedIn, and I started getting emails from my friends and my colleagues. So that badly this COVID-19 pandemic hit. And point here is, it is not only for the DBA jobs, it is for the entire MNC organizations. It is a worldwide badly hit. I can see with the recent survey, it says that up to 70% of MNC jobs are vulnerable. From the March till today, around 70% of MNC jobs are vulnerable. It means the position can terminate at any moment. The project can terminate at any moment. Till now there's a 70% of jobs are vulnerable in the market. It is not only for DBA jobs, it is included all the positions, right? And the other survey says that 48% of professional claimed, the HRs and the managers, they claimed that it is badly impacting on the hiring process. It means the hiring process is entirely freezed among the all the organizations. No organizations are willing to hire any candidate at this moment. And even though the project needs a candidate, what they're doing, they are hiring a candidate based upon the contract basis. It means that the position is going to be temporary. That position can be terminated at any moment. So that is what the strategy most of the organization or MNC companies are adopting right now. And due to this COVID-19 pandemic, the sectors like aviation industry, automotive industries, and construction, agricultures, and IT MNCs are the one worst hit sectors, I can say. So thinking this that it is not a good suggestion to change your DBA jobs or DBA careers, and whichever jobs you guys are currently surviving or working, so continue to work and continue to support on the same project. And definitely this is going to be a challenging situation right now. So this COVID-19 pandemic is hitting badly on all the sectors, on all the areas, including DBA jobs and all the MNC sectors. So the best thing is continue to support on the same project and the same company and same organization, irrespective of whether you have a new opportunities, or you are wanted to change your job or you wanted to change your career. So this is not the right time to take any decision regarding your career. So you continue to work on the same job, and you can think of in the future days, right? That is for the first point. And the second point, is there any impact on the DBA position due to this cloud migrations? My personal answer is no. There is no impact on the DBA jobs due to this cloud migration. In fact, DBAs will get a more opportunities due to this cloud migrations. Having said that, why DBAs will get more opportunities, right? DBA will start working on the virtual environment rather than their own data center. See, DBA job is like, you have to work on your database, right? Like, provisioning the database, creating the database, and, maintaining the database, backups and recovery and performance. Your job is going to be same, but where you are going to work, whether you are going to work on your own data center or customer data center, or you are going to work on the virtual data center. If the customers are migrated to cloud, either they will go with a hybrid cloud, or private cloud, or public cloud. So that means they will be working on the virtual environments. So your data center is going to change, and your but your day-to-day works or day-to-day DBA jobs are going to be same. So there's no change in that, right? So there's no impact at the DBA jobs and DBA roles. And the second point is, cloud computing did not change the nature of jobs. As I said, it is not going to change the nature of jobs. So whatever the jobs or whatever the task you are doing, it is going to be remain same. But only thing is this: due to this cloud migration, it reduces the human efforts or human errors, and some of the cloud automations come into picture, right? But having said that, this human errors or human effort or cloud automation are going to do the same thing what a DBA has to do it manually. Those are done by these cloud automations. Behind the scene, all the commands or all the task whatever DBA has to do it, it has to be done automatically. So in case those jobs or those automation fails, DBA is the one who is able to identify and then fix it. So for that reason, DBA is must for any cloud technologies, right? And then DBAs are most needed resource for all the cloud migration. So for example, if Oracle is or any customer is want to migrate their database from on-premises to the cloud, DBAs are must. DBA is the one who is going to take care of that migrations. So due to these migrations, there will be more and more job opportunities for the DBAs. And the fourth point, what I put here, there will be more opportunities for the DBA, since DBA is a multi-skilled resource. Like, he knows storage, he know network, he know OS, Linux OS or Windows OS, and he know most of the things, right? Like, DBA is a multi-skilled persons. So most of the industries are trying to hire a DBA for the cloud positions. Is there any cloud? If the customer migrated to cloud, first they will look for any DBA for that cloud positions rather than looking into some other cloud operator or some other network operator. They will look for DBA first, and then if they are not able to find the DBA, and then they will go for alternatives like cloud operator positions or network engineer positions who can capable of handling that. But DBA is must, right? So that is what I wanted to make sure here. Don't worry about these cloud migrations. Uh, Rather, worrying about your positions, you should be happy that due to these cloud migrations, there will be more and more opportunities for DBAs. But the point here is all DBA has to enhance their skills and they have to adopt this cloud technologies in order to survive in the future. If you are being a DBA, if you have not learned any cloud technologies, your job is limited. You will not be exposed to the future world. So I'm being in a Oracle world. I strongly recommend to go with the Oracle Cloud. So there are many other cloud technologies, AWS, Azure, and some other cloud vendors. So you can choose any cloud technologies. No, nothing wrong in that. But being in Oracle world and Oracle field, it is best to go with Oracle Cloud, right? So the third point is if the cloud is going to be future and which cloud technology is best for DBS. As I said, being in Oracle world, I always recommend to go with Oracle Cloud. So the question is if the cloud is going to be future? Yes, of course the cloud is going to be future. So all the customers, most of the customers are willing to migrate their data center or their on-premises database to the cloud, either service, software as a service or platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Any one of the cloud technologies they will adopt, and they will migrate their on-premises database to the cloud so that they can reduce their data center cost, they can reduce their maintenance cost, and they can reduce this infrastructure servers or electricity or data center cost. So everything will be reduced, and then it will be migrated to cloud. So that is what the most of the customers are looking into. So it is best DBA should adopt and enhance their skills and learn any cloud technologies so that they can their position will be secure for next future days, right? All DBA has to enhance their skills and learn any cloud technologies, and that will be helpful for their future career. And then how challenging is this cloud technologies for a DBAs to enhance their skills and adapt to these cloud technologies? It is very easy because, as I said, DBAs are already multi-skilled resource who knows networking, who knows the storage, who knows this OS, and to learn this cloud technologies, it is going to be very easy, right? If at all you learned any of the cloud technologies, I'm sure you will be in the market for next 10 to 15 years. I'm sure, like based upon my research or my suggestion, this cloud technology is going to be the future for next 10 to 15 years. If you are a cloud DBA, then your position is going to be secure for next 10 to 15 years, and you will be in the top of the market, right? So most of the customers who wanted to hire any new DBA position, they will look for this cloud DBAs. There might be new technologies and the new concept in the future, but we need to keep updating our skills accordingly whatever new technologies comes. Right now cloud is the one hot topic, and cloud is going to be our future. So it's better to all DBAs to migrate, all DBAs to enhance their skills and be up to date in the market. Right now this is a cloud word, I can say. Every customer are going to cloud, and then we should adapt our skills and enhance our skills to the cloud. And in future, if any new technology comes, DBAs are flexible enough to adopt that technologies and be up to date in the market. That is what my personal suggestions for all the DBAs. So better to learn any of the cloud technologies, but I strongly recommend to go ahead with the Oracle Cloud OCI, right? And few of the tips what I would suggest to give for all of you. Always practice and up to date yourself. It mean whatever new technology comes, you try to learn the technologies, and you try to do some research on the technologies and be up to date in the market. For example, right now I said cloud, you should learn the cloud and then be up to date in the market. And any new feature or new version, for example, right now 19c is the new feature Oracle has released. So always you try to do some research on this 19c database and 19c rack and grid infrastructure, and what are their new features and what are their enhancement. You should be up to date yourself, and practice more and more, so that you'll be more confident enough to get any job and get crack any of the interviews, whatever interview you can attend. And try to attend mock interviews. It means that uh, if there is any DBA openings, try to give interview. This is one of my best practice. I used to do it. Like, I used to give interviews, at least one interview in a month. It means that I am not going to change my positions, but I just wanted to challenge myself, and I wanted to be up to date in the market, how the interview questions, and whether I am capable of clearing the interview or not. So don't take it in a negative manner, because I'm not going to steal any of the DBA jobs. I'm going to attend the DBA jobs, but I'm not going to accept the offer, whatever. If at all I clear the interview, I am not going to accept that offer. It means that I'm not going to waste the time of HR, or the technical panel, but I am myself making comfortable in the market, that how the live interviews are going to be, in real time. Or else, if there is any mock interview is conducted by any of the institute or any of your friends or colleagues, that you can conduct some kind of mock interview between your Oracle circles, and then each one together, take interview of other person, and then be comfortable with a live interview questions, how it is going to be, and then how your actions for the live interview questions, so that you should be aware of, and you should be up to date in the in the market for the kind of questions they will ask, right? So that is what my personal suggestions for all of you. And the third point is, always participate in the free webinar. There will be a lot of webinars or seminars, online coachings or online teaching. Many of the DBAs or senior DBAs, or infrastructure architect, are posting their free seminars or webinars in the LinkedIn or in the Facebook. You always try to attend those, and get the knowledge out of it, so that you'll be you'll get to know if something, if you don't know, you'll get to know from that session, right? And the fourth point, what I used to suggest, always interact with your colleagues. Like, if one of your colleague is going to attend any new interview, and then try to have an interaction with him after the interview, and what are the kinds of questions they have asked, and what are the how challenging was that interview. Try to do interaction more and more with your colleagues, and always make your WhatsApp group with your all colleagues and friends, and always share your knowledge and exchange your knowledge, kind of interview questions, kind of new technologies and new features. Always share knowledge each other, so that you'll be very strong in your DBA field. So these are the tips I wanted to give all of you guys, so that you will be more confident on your job, and more confident on your DBA positions. You'll be able to crack any kind of interview, and you will be able to actively participate in any kind of discussion when these are the tips which will help for your career growth. So that's all for the today's session. So thank you guys.